offended. How'd that curb feel? It's fine, my seat keeps falling on me. Might be going a little fast. Oh, hey. Yeah, we need to go. We need to go. Base 49 is always inside. In the cafeteria. It was yesterday. And plus, wasn't that the art teacher we passed? I think that was Miss B. Because I know she's still at the school. But if she drives the truck, oh, that would make sense. Alright, so where do we want to ride to? Right up the street Caitlin was on? I want to stop by there. Or do we want to just do a couple runs up, down our street? Yeah. I'm just walking my bike until we come over to the city. Yeah, I don't like driving through this fence. I don't like riding through that fence. Then adjust it. You can wait. Do you need untighten screws or shit? Yeah, my dad makes it very tight. Mine doesn't have that bar. I have to literally loosen that screw. Yeah, we could stop by and say hi to Larry. Like, hey Larry, who the fuck are you? Hey, come. I got my shoes. I got my shoes. This is my dad's bike. I see the rock breaking. I got this. I don't got this.
Yeah, now that's lower.
Ah! Owie. Shut the fuck up, you young dog. Wait, they have a gate? How big is that gate? You see it too, you see the mounts. Okay. You need to stop at the house and grab a rope from Alex. Yeah, I'm still gonna walk. I need to kick up my kickstand. I do that so fucking often. Let's get out of here. Yeah, that's the pothole I was talking about. Riding up the hill is exhausting. Breathe air! Now breathe carbon dioxide. That bird that fell into that tree is still there. Yeah, I had to retighten it yesterday. I had to retighten it again later today. Or what? Let me see where my mom's at once we get up the street. Cock, cock, cock. Oh, hey, there's my mom. Hi. Okay. 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 Good of it. Not really. I thought we were getting pizza rolls. So Dad doesn't have pool tonight. He doesn't have pool tonight. Okay. Alright. I feel bad for GoPro audio now. I walked into that tree. The branches passed by. Okay then. Yeah, pass me now, suckers. These are such sharp corners, I fucking hate it. I was getting too carp. Why is that there? There, you can press it. You press it. Oh, you go first. Keep that. Ow! My seat moved again. Oh, you want me to stop? Okay. My brakes actually work. yeah, you get hella speed drift or guiding down this hill. And I mean you get hella speed. I'm gonna do it. If you don't want to wear it, just hook it to the bike. If you don't want to wear it, just hook it to the bike. One of us goes in, the other's gonna stay out here and watch the bike. Fucking honey bun. Why are you parking over here? We can park over there. No, it's good. This fucking thing how it kicks down. Jesus Christ. It's cold. Squeaky as fuck. I saw a baby crossing the road and I almost shouted the N-word. Let's eat it and then we'll ride. Because we can't eat and ride and we can't put it in our pockets. You can, I can't. No, it's making good sounds. you don't have a car to drive. Here, you wanna know your speed? On your phone, download GPS tools. Okay, that's what we're going to do after.
And then after that, where are we gonna go?
Not Evans.
Too late. What happened to it?
Yeah, GPS tools.
Virtual maze. Yeah, nice try.
Set the bicycle, start recording, and I'll tell you your speed. I didn't press record. Okay, I've hit 20 going down the street.
I'm going 6.
I'm going 3, 4, 5. I'm going 5.
Nice speed. Feeling you.
I'm the fucking Flash, bro.
Going so fast, bro.
43.3 degrees Fahrenheit.
When it was 51, it felt colder.
I really just went. Ah, that was the front of my foot. Rock. Rock one is.
Right there. No. You watch me take a jump.
Too bad. We're men.
You looking at that?
No. See, we're not even motorcycle bikers, and we still have their ADHD. I just hope one day that causes a car crash. Like, you're like, oh hey, truck! And then they're like, oh shit, swerve. Caused by it.
There's a chance of putting 6 fucking locks on it?
This isn't even a lock!
If you believe it, it can be.
Look at this shit!
It can be whatever it wants to be.
Wait. There's 6 chances to put a lock on it. Grab a lock that can't be cut by people. Pizza Hut for dinner. The decision has been made.
I'm actually gonna.
Was that white? Was that why it was white? I hate you.
You could put locks on it? Well, I mean.
Yeah, you unlock that one. All the other locks fall off. They grab a lock that can't be cut by bolt cutters.
It's 6 in the moment.
All you have to do is put one and they can't fucking unlock it. Unless they cut that. That's taking up a
Your brakes! Listen, this.
I want loud. Ow!
That.
I just got the nastiest. And there's a car coming up. You're good. What the fuck is wrong with your car? Where are you going, Aiden? Aiden, where are you going? I always just do it from the top of the street. I'll let you go first. Or you like a minute. Just so we have distance between each other. You can start at it whenever. It won't affect your speed. Why are they go staying? Okay. I should cancel. Sit back in the car. Have a seat. Hey, this bitch, we're nice to live? Yeah. I was gonna say, because she has to park clearing. That's 3 kilometers. So you have to press stop and it'll show you miles per hour. Right here. Press that. I got 18.5. Square. Square! Set the kilometers. Just set the kilometers. You want to use mine?
Apparently I have to because my phone's autistic. So remember what yours was?
18 and a half.
18 and a half.
So you're gonna have to press start on it, but
Yeah, I'll do it.
I'm not using my dad's bike, I'm using my dad's gloves. You're using your dad's cement. Exactly. Yeah, all they give us is a place to temporarily live. And then a more permanent place afterwards. They dearly fuck for us. Unless they go to a sperm bank. Wait a minute. So Aiden doesn't know his father. So now I said sperm bank. I'm pretty sure his mom went to a sperm bank, got sperm. Oh god. Okay. I'll keep this one completely private. Yeah, man, it was on. Huh. That might be considering a 19.9. I don't think they do decimals in there, so I think, yeah. Maximum time was 20. Wait until Amazon leaves. Because if they're going to be driving up and down the street, it's a hazard for us and them. Oh! Yeah. My fault. I hate it when the seat moves. Yeah, me too. Here, Hayden, you know what? I'll try your phone as well. I'll try your phone. Yeah, it's just a bike. Let's see. What settings do you have fucked up? If you have any stuff fucked up. I'm checking. Oh yeah, might have multiple packages. Might have multiple packages. For multiple people. Multiple packages for multiple people. No, fuck you. I'm closing the event. No. He's at the house. Walk up. I mean, like literally walk right here and look. Well, it looked like he was trying out, so he might Queuing for a car? No. Fuck the other people's packages. Honestly, I know exactly how I'd be fired. I know exactly how fast I would be fired if I do what I'm currently thinking. I get a job at Amazon. I bring it to the person's porch. I take a picture of it, proving that I delivered the package, and I take it for myself. No. Where? Yeah. Alright, do you see Moran? You see Moran?
You mean?
There used to be an E. No, there used to be an E.
It says Boone.
Where? Oh, yeah. Boom Road. There's an RD at the end, so it's actually a road, maybe.
Oh my god, are you done? God damn it!
Hasn't even fucking moved. I just want to flip a random person off. I was doing this.
It looked like he was doing this.
I flipped him off, you wave. Ooh, no.
I date you.
That's a man. You know this generation. Amazon, please be leaving. Is he coming back up? I'm gonna have a fucking seizure. Yeah, every once in a while there are two that are delivered to my house from two different people. Me and my sister. Owie! Where the fuck did you go, dude? Pull up? What was that? I might be a little bit distracted. No fucking shot. That is Antonio. Or he's fed and needs tutoring.
That's what I need. Curricular is learning. He's driving?
Please. No. Shouldn't have taken you this long. The fuck was that? Oh, it's the Prius Dodge. Am I wrong? It's the Prius Dodge. The Prius Dodge.
The Silverado. It said Silverado on the back.
From Audi. That was an Audi title, or, that tag on the back. It's like Dodge has theirs, and Honda has theirs, yeah. Branding. hope you.
Nice Nissan, Volkswagen, and fucking
No, Volkswagen was made in Germany. They also made
that's
tanks
a
for Hitler.
Ford Jeep.
That's a Ford Jeep.
Hey, what's up, puppy?
That was a Toyota.
Well, there could be 2 down there, so 7 or 8 packages.
Oh, we know there could have been 20.
We should do it with light, and then we should do like
No.
now we're gonna trick fucking
Yeah, there's so many fucking bottles. I almost did down there. Did you see me? You use the GPS, not motion. Please. No! You're fucking kidding me! Another one! Jeff Bezos is making fucking bank off our street. That guy's there every day. Not that guy, but... His window's rolled down. Please put my phone in the pocket. In the pocket. I like my phone. In the pocket.
Okay.
Not the GTA pocket. Lawnmower! You're kicking the pedal. You're still kicking the pedal. The fucking noises you make. Did you start the recording? Okay. Knee breaker.
No, boy!
I'm not.
Now's the time to
I have to turn wide so I can go. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh shit. Don't eat shit. What'd you get?
press the box and then
The fuck are you doing that's fucking it up? What are you doing different than I am?
I press the box like you asked me to.
Those were mine.
Am I not fucking registered?
I'm not.
Was I going too fast?
No. It would still show top speed for that. Either way, top speed's on the speedometer is 40. It's fine on your phone. I got 18.
How the fuck did you do that?
I will literally show you exactly what I did. Just fill out the top. You have to have it filled out. So, I go onto my phone, I press the top button, and I leave it. Like, literally. That's all I do. I will show it again. Button. I let it go. Not enough data to save. Oh. That's because I ended it that fast. So wait a minute before you start going. Give it time. What I do is when I'm about to do my check to make sure everything's good before I ride again. Like for example, I'd fucking fix my seat again. Not the wrenches, but she's kind of loose again. But you wanna take my bike? Okay. Hey, that's my father's. Oh yeah, we have to stay in character. You are Josh. Oh yeah, it gives sense. I told my mom we'd start heading back at like 55 and it's 54. Mainly because she's picking up pizza at 5. I'm sorry, I didn't know what time it was. I forgot to tell you. But, at least we get food soon.